we're getting some more updates coming in. Tahabur Rana allegedly expressed approval of the 26/11 Mumbai attacks in an intercepted conversation with David Headley, stating that Indians deserved it. He reportedly praised the 9 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists killed during the assault, saying that they should be awarded Pakistan's highest military honor for bravery, typically reserved for fallen soldiers. This is what you see right now, viewers. US is revealing details of Rana and the David Headley conversations. And let's not forget, it was David Headley, the co-conspirator and childhood friend of Rana, who had, by the way, exposed him. I want to go to Harsha. Harsha, you know, this is a big update coming in right now, and this is what. Remember that David Headley to the United States in a Chicago court had revealed that Rana helped him set up a fake immigration office in Mumbai as cover for scouting terror targets. It's not a surprise that the US has revealed even more details about the Headley and Rana connection. Yes.
Yes, that was the time when US arrested David Headley, and after that, when David Headley became the approver, and we got to know his connection with Lashkar-e-Taiba and how was the connection? What was the connection between David Headley and Tahabur Hussain Rana? How both of them were the conspirator. David Headley was given the targets from the side of Tahabur Hussain Rana. The immigration officer was set up here, and also fake visa of David Headley was made by Tahabur Hussain Rana, and that is the reason why again and again we are reiterating that in the entire process, the hatching of a plan, the mastermind is Tahabur Hussain Rana. How come he had made David Headley's visa 5 times to travel to India? And David Headley not only in Mumbai but traveled to Delhi as well. He came to India 5 times on that fake visa. Who was the immigration officer? How was he set up? These are the questions which need to be answered, and that will be now answered by Tahabur Hussain Rana during the interrogation. And the press release the statement which has been shared by the US to India, it has a detailed report of the connection between David Headley and Tahabur Hussain Rana, the connection with the Lashkar-e-Taiba as well, and how these conspirators not only hatched a plan but were also the main involved, and how they were involved with the operatives of the terror group and also with the ISI. So this is a huge we can say huge news which is coming out about their operative, about their network, about their hatching of a plan. And this US was already aware of when David Headley was first arrested in US, and when he was presented in the Chicago court, there were several details which came out, and more of which will be answered by Tahabur Hussain Rana now during the interrogation which is already underway in the NIA headquarters.
Speaking about what David Headley, who by the way is a childhood friend and co-conspirator, had revealed and thrown Rana under the bus at that US court, Chicago court. Coming to you, Riyanka, Headley's testimony, which the US is revealing all the details of one by one, will be playing heavily against Rana as the interrogation is beginning anytime now. Yes, go ahead.
Well, certainly that is going to be the case. The testimonies of David Headley, as he had in fact earlier turned approver in this case, all these evidences that were in fact collected, that was also provided from the side of the United States, all of these evidences will be put in forward of Tahabur Rana, and cross-questioning will be happening on that regard to understand what exactly was the plan, how was it hatched, who all were involved in this particular game plan in order to carry out such deadly attacks in Mumbai, whether or not there was a plan to carry out more such attacks in the future, and what could have been the amount of attacks they were planning. So a huge expose will be coming into being, given the fact that several details of the testimonies given by David Coleman Headley will also be put forward in front of Tahabur Rana.